Hello everyone, my name is Sophia. Today I will tell you about my family's hobbies. Do you feel stressed after work? Do you need time for yourself? Many people are very busy. They forget to rest. But hobbies are important. They help us feel happy and relaxed. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. Let me tell you about our hobbies. One of my favorite hobbies is reading books. I love reading in the evening when the house is quiet. It is my special time. I sit on the sofa with a soft blanket. I have a cup of tea. The tea is warm and sweet. I can smell the jasmine flowers in the tea. It is wonderful. The book has many interesting stories. When I read, I forget about stress. I forget about work. I feel very calm and peaceful. The world in the book is beautiful. Now, look at my daughter Lily. She is sitting on the floor. Lily enjoys drawing. This is her hobby. She likes to draw flowers, trees, and small houses. Today she is using many colors. She has red, blue, and yellow crayons. But wait, Lily looks sad. She stops drawing. Oh no, my flower is not beautiful. I made a mistake. Look, the green color is outside the line. She wants to cry. I put my book down and smile at her. I walk to Lily and sit next to her. It is okay, Lily. Please don't be sad. We do not worry if the pictures are perfect. Mistakes are okay. Drawing is not a test. Drawing is a way to relax. It is a way to express yourself. You can make a blue sun or a purple leaf. That is creative. Lily looks at me. She wipes her eyes and smiles. She picks up a pink crayon. She starts to draw again. I feel very happy because she is happy. We spend time together in silence. The room is warm, the air is fresh. These simple moments are very important for our souls. We learn to love what we do. Stop. Let's look at some special words I just used. It is time to learn together. The first word is hobby. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time. For me, reading is a hobby. For Lily, drawing is a hobby. Do you have a hobby? It makes your life interesting. The second word is relax. Relax means you feel calm and not stressed. When the house is quiet, I relax with my book. My mind feels light. My body feels good. We all need to relax every day. The third word is creative. Drawing is fun because I can be creative. Creative means making new things. When Lily draws a flower, she is creative. She uses her imagination. You can be creative with colors, words, or music. It is a beautiful power. Now, let's look at one more word, mistake. A mistake is when something is not perfect. Lily made a mistake in her drawing. But remember, mistakes are okay. We learn from mistakes. We grow from mistakes. Do not be afraid of them. I want you to remember these 4 words: hobby, relax, creative, and mistake. They are very useful for your English. Please say them with me. Hobby, relax, creative. Mistake, very good. You are doing a great job. Learning English is also a wonderful hobby. We take small steps every day. Are you ready for the next part? Let's go to the kitchen with my family. Cooking is another hobby I enjoy. It is a time for my family to be together. Today, I try simple recipes like pasta with vegetables. I love fresh ingredients. Look at these tomatoes. They are very red and juicy. My husband, David, is helping me. He washes the vegetables carefully. My son Tom is here too. He is a good helper. The kitchen is full of life. Listen, can you hear the music? The music is nice. What are we cooking, Sophia? I make pasta for dinner. I use fresh tomatoes and olive oil. The smell fills the kitchen. It smells delicious. I am so hungry, Tom says with a big smile. Cooking is not only about food, it is about love. It is about creating something with care for the people I love. Music makes me feel peaceful while I work. I move my body to the rhythm. I feel happy. In the kitchen, we talk and laugh. We do not use phones. We do not watch TV. We focus on the food and our conversation. Simple things make me happy. The pasta is almost ready. The water is boiling. The steam is warm on my face. This is a moment of mindfulness. I feel grateful for this meal. I feel grateful for my family. Now, let's practice together. This is the most important part. I want to hear your voice. Please repeat after me. I will say the sentence first, then you say it. Ready? I sit on the sofa with a cup of tea. Very good. Let's do it one more time. I sit on the sofa with a cup of tea. Excellent. Now, the next sentence. Drawing is a way to relax. Your turn. Drawing is a way to relax. I love how you say that. You are doing very well. Now, a slightly longer one. Simple things make me happy. Repeat after me. Simple things make me happy. Yes, that is right. Learning English is like a hobby. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to be consistent. Now, let's have a mini quiz to see if you remember our story. Do you remember my daughter Lily? What does Lily like to draw? Think about it. Is it A, cars, or B, flowers? Look at her smile again. Yes, the answer is B, flowers. She loves the bright colors of the flowers. You have a very good memory. Practice makes progress. I am very proud of you today. You are a brave learner. Every word you say is a step forward. Take a deep breath. Feel the English words in your heart. We are learning and growing together. Thank you for practicing with me. Hobbies can be simple. You don't need expensive things. You just need a little time for yourself. Hobbies make our lives rich and full. They give us joy. They give us balance in this busy world. Look at my family. We are happy because we share our hobbies. We listen to music. We cook with love. We read books to feel calm. That is the story of my family's hobbies. What about you? I really want to know you better. What are your hobbies? Do you like gardening? Do you like swimming? Or maybe you like learning English? Please tell me in the comments. I will read your stories. Your words make me happy too. Thank you for watching my video today. If you like this lesson, please give me a like. Share it with your friends who want to learn English. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Next time, we will talk about our daily routine. We will see how we start a beautiful day. I am waiting for you. Be kind to yourself. Have a peaceful day and a beautiful night. See you soon. Bye-bye.